it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a Catdog from the Nickelodeon show. Yeah, it's gonna be super simple, easy, and completely for beginners. So let's get started. I'm gonna go over here and draw a cat first, and I'm gonna draw a kind of like almost like an egg on the floor. It's gonna be his nose. Very similar shape, but a little bit bigger would be for his eye. Curve over here for his eye. Line for the eyebrows, or line right there. I'm gonna put a dot on the eyes right here. Dot. Gonna start from the bottom of the nose here, and I'm gonna pull a line like ski slope down. Smile. Line up, down, line over here, up, down. And you got most of his face, and I'm gonna start pulling a line right here underneath. Curve down here, okay? Until you hit his leg. I'm gonna throw a line straight down, straight down. Don't forget to hit the like if you remember this cartoon. Please let me know if you do. It's awesome if you do. But definitely hit that like, okay? Gonna go over here. Curve on curve. And I'm gonna curve over here to dog's face. So I'm gonna pull it up. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a much bigger eye. This is like much bigger eye. Much bigger eye. Fill that in. Fill it in. Going over here to the top of the head, I'm gonna curve right there to the top of the head, and that's gonna roll into the ear. Line down. Circle for his big nose. Starting at the bottom of the big nose, I'm gonna pull up. And he's gonna have a couple of teeth sticking out. Okay, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull down over here on this side. And we're gonna pull a line down here for a leg. And a line down here for a leg. Then I'm going to do one more curve to connect them. Line for the far side leg. Circle, circle, curve, 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 curve. Circle, circle, curve, 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 curve. Going over here to some lashes on cat. Some lines over here on dog's head. And then I'm gonna draw the spots on him. There's gonna be a spot here. Try to make it thin if you can. Curve right here. Curve right here. Curve right here. Circle right here, okay? And maybe one over here on his ear. Now what I wanna do is I wanna draw a thicker line on the outside of everything. Line over here. Curve, curve, curve over there. Down here. Just kind of following the curves. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw cartoons or anything like that, hit the subscribe right now. Like right now, absolutely hit it. Okay, awesome. that is Catdog. I hope whoever remembers these characters, says hi. And I'll talk to you in the comments. Go to the main website, and that is sketchingeasy.com. If you've never learned how to draw anything in your life, go there. I have a beginner drawing program, 100% free. You won't regret it. It's awesome and perfect for beginners. So go check that out. Talk to you later.